If you are looking to modernize your approach to steam measurement, increasing the degree of accuracy can save your organization money. To assist our customers, McCrometer has created a steam savings calculator, which can be found on our website following the path Resources, Tools, McCrometer Steam Calculator. Our tool allows you to evaluate an estimated loss in a currency of your choosing, comparing the McCrometer V-cone to other technologies not able to span the entire flow range. To use the tool, you will need to answer 4 simple questions. First, what is the pressure of your steam? Second, what is your line size? Third, do you have a flow conditioner? And finally, what is your flow rate? Once you select the desired units, either imperial or SI, and enter your information, your estimated current loss and potential future savings using a V-cone will appear in the yellow box below. For example, if I have steam at 100 psi in a 4-inch line size with no flow conditioner, running at 150 pounds per hour, I could be losing $3,469 per year if I am not measuring over the full range. If you are interested to learn more, click Get a Quote. Follow the steps, and our flow experts will reach out to develop a custom solution tailored to your requirements.